Hi, I'm Christina Montefiore. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make stuffed bell peppers. This is a vegan version of this recipe, but clearly people have been making stuffed bell peppers forever. So you're probably thinking, oh, what's so cool, what's so special? Well, I do it vegan and I do it healthy. So let's get started. So the ingredients for my stuffed bell peppers are 6 bell peppers. I've got about 1 pound of veggie meat, 2 cups of marinara sauce, carrots, celery, and onions, so a basic mirepoix mixture, diced tomato, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, red chili flakes, red wine, olive oil, minced garlic, vegetable broth, mushrooms, fresh Italian parsley, really important, the fresh Italian parsley, vegan cheese, so delicious and super easy to make, you're gonna love it. Step number 1 is you need to prepare your rice. I've already prepared my rice in advance, so make sure you have your rice cooked, cooled, and ready to go. Step number 2, you want to preheat your oven to 375, and I've already done that, so I'm good there. Step number 3, we're gonna make the marinara sauce, so let's get going. Top range to about medium-high heat, get that warm, put some olive oil in there, and get my spices going and my veggies going. I'm gonna add the garlic, my pepper, salt. I always like to add a little bit of cayenne to everything, so we're gonna do it. And some chili flakes to give it a little kick. And last but not least, a little bit of Italian seasoning. So next is my mirepoix. I've got celery, carrots, and onion. Just gonna give it a nice mix. The vegetables do not have to get overly cooked at all because it's going to go in the oven for about 40 minutes anyways. Now that the onion is starting to get translucent, I am going to add the mushrooms. Beautiful, it smells so good. And I'm just gonna cook these for probably about 1 more minute, and that's it. The veggies are good. I'm going to get these out and we're gonna just set them aside in a bowl. That was literally 2 minutes of cooking. Just drop them into a separate bowl because this is going to wait a little while until we get the sauce going. All right, so again, for the sauce, we're just do a little bit more olive oil. I wanna add, ready? A pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, a tiny bit of Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna add in some crushed tomato. You could just do 2 cups of your favorite marinara sauce. Gonna add in some vegetable broth, a little bit of red wine. Oh yeah, hello, red wine. Thank you, thank you. So once you get your marinara sauce to a light boil like this, we're just gonna turn off the heat. And now I'm going to transfer this into the baking dish. All right, here we go. Gotta be strong to be in the kitchen. I should have got a different spoon. Okay, whew, that was a workout. All right, so the sauce is in the bottom of the pan. I'm just gonna get the last bits out here. Now, in an effort to not have to wash a zillion dishes in my kitchen, I'm going to saute the veggie meat in this exact same pot. We're gonna go back to some more olive oil, of course, right? It's so good for you. Monounsaturated fatty acids in that olive oil, very good for you. Okay, garlic, of course, we've got to have some garlic if we're gonna do a little veggie meat. Some more Italian seasoning. I like using Italian sausage veggie meat in this recipe, but apparently it's like sold out all over. So I'm going to just take veggie burgers. So now this is about 1 pound of veggie meat, okay? You could do more, you could do less, you could do just vegetables. I love using this to just smash it. Look at that. You're not standing over doing crumbling for the next 20 minutes. Just smash it down. So this will be done in about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and then we can assemble our stuffed bell peppers. All right, that is looking happy. This is done. It only took 5 minutes, the veggie meat. I'm just gonna move it to a heat-proof bowl and let it cool off a little bit. And then we combine everything and start stuffing these peppers. Okay, so I've made the marinara sauce. We've heated up the veggie meat. We've got our veggies sauteed. We are good to go. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna combine everything in this big bowl right here. So we'll take the veggies. They smell phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Then we're going to put the rice in there. This is such a good recipe. I love all these vegetables. also high in vitamin C. These bell peppers are high in vitamin C. So now the rice is in there. Now I'm gonna add my diced tomato. Here we go. Get that diced tomato in there. I'm going to add in my veggie meat. This is a lot of veggie meat. I'm gonna add maybe half and see how it does. And then of course, the fresh parsley, vegan cheese, or you could use regular Parmesan cheese. It's totally up to you. All right, so now it's all combined and we are ready to stuff these peppers. So all you do is you're just gonna spoon in the filling mixture, and then you're just gonna set it into your baking dish on top of the marinara sauce. Okay, so here goes the first bell pepper. Oh yeah. Gorgeous. Last important little tidbit here is I'm just gonna do a tiny bit more cheese on top of each one, and then I'm gonna cover it with foil, and it's gonna go in the oven at 375 for about 40 minutes. All right, it's going in 375 for about 40 minutes. Here we go, set the timer. Yay, I cannot wait to eat these. Okay. So what I like to do after the bell peppers have come out of the oven is I like to sprinkle a little bit more cheese on the top, just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna pop it in the oven under the broiler for literally 1 minute. And it just gives it a nice little golden brown look. It's beautiful, so I'm gonna do that. Look at that, okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, these stuffed bell peppers look incredible. And they smell even better than they look, so that's exciting. So here you go, my stuffed bell peppers. I hope you check out this recipe. Make sure you like, save, share. Remember that you are deeply loved by God. And make sure you leave a comment, connect with me, engage with me. I'd love to hear from you. What recipes are you liking? What do you want to see more of? All that good stuff. Okay, I've got some bell peppers to eat. Thanks for watching.